cause y'all know what it is.
Tam and Trap News Network.
I was with Rich Trapper.
I flex with you. What's the deal, y'all? What's the deal, y'all? What's the deal, y'all? Rich Trapper tapping in, TNN Trap News Network. Back in this thing, back in this thing. It's like cracking this thing here at TNN Trap News Network. It's that good news you can use. It's that good knowledgeito you're not finna get in nobody's collegeito. Make sure you hit that notification bell at the top. Hit all, stay tapped in for the latest and the greatest. Hit that like, hit that hype, hit that comment, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you hit that share button for everything we got going on here at TNN Trap News Network. Make sure you tap in. Leave a comment because we're going back to the chili giveaway. So when we get to 31,000 subscribers, we're going to make sure that we pick the best comment between now and 31,000 subscribers. We're going to give you some chili, big dog. So it's important that you comment. It's important that you comment. It's important that you comment. Once we get 31,000 subscribers, we're going to make sure that we let y'all know an exact date and exact time that we will be doing a live to give away that money. You got Cash App, you got Apple Pay, you got Zelle, you got Venmo. Don't worry about it. We're going to make sure you get that chili. Make sure you hit that like button, that comment, that good subscribe button. TNN Trap News Network. We taking it back to the basics, man. It's like every single episode, we got to take it into Munchie B, letting us know that Wack talked about him. We get it. Like, all right, that's cool.
Like, I think you were just at the front of Wack's mind, probably.
That's rude.
I only been around her that one time, and I didn't want to be there, be around her that day.
Munchie was mad.
Who is Butters? Butters loves Wack. He can't go a day without this man's blocks mouth. I know Adam be annoyed. Who the fuck is Butters? What are you talking about? Who is Butters? Because when you say Butters, I keep thinking about the kid from South Park. Did you ever watch South Park? Did you ever watch South Park? You don't remember the kid Butters? Yeah, that's what I think of. Oh, they call it, bro. They call this nigga Munchie B Butters. Take a deep breath, relax, be mature, do the news. You are non-biased. You are non-biased. Stop reading the chat. Stop reading the chat because this nigga, he saw you laugh. Now he's gonna attack it. He's gonna keep going until you laugh. So don't read nothing else that this nigga has to say in the chat until you're done with this video because he is on fire right now. Let's keep on. Let's keep on.
Yeah, for sure. They say y'all disappeared in the office over there, man.
I ain't disappeared with that, bro. No, here, man.
Made some content.
And then it's the narrative that, you know, I said the stupid shit on Clubhouse showing off in front of her. Why would I want to show off in front of a girl I don't want to be around?
At all.
I don't want to be around her, bro. I felt bad for her early on because I'm like, man, this nigga suspect, an asshole.
You thought she was getting picked on, low-key.
Yeah, I thought she was getting picked on. You feel me? And then I reached out like, hey, man, let's do some content. She like, what do you do? I'm like, what I do? I'm like, all right.
Munchie B?
I'm not.
I'm like, no, she acting like she don't be knowing. She don't know who the fuck motherfucker you see me knowing.
No, I'm like, no, it's cool because I mean, you know who I am because I think Adam or Les told you to follow me back or something. Like, but you know, I mean, that's cool. I'm not tripping, but hey,
I'm a janitor at 5 Below. Hey, now she'll keep it real one day, and then the next day she won't keep it. Call her some stuff. She was like, oh yeah, Munchie B, he a real one out there, and da 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 da. Or you know what I'm saying? People know him. Da da da. Next day,
Repping your body, sex,
I don't know who he is, and he want da 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 da. The same shit she be saying about everybody.
That same Adam and Wack show, she said, Almighty TF3, Munchie B, all bitches. I'm like, whoa, she did a Tupac hit him up.
So we went from ADAM22 being asked by Spody Face how he feels about Jaliss coming into the interview and taking over, and now we're talking about Munchie B and Jaliss because we always have to get into the beef of the week with Munchie B. All right, got it. All right, cool.
She's crazy. I'm like, all right, check you out, little baby, I guess.
That's the crazy thing to me, though, is just that, like, think about, like, what she really bringing to the table? Like, is it really that notable or special? Like, and we just keep playing ball with it. Like, we just can't have.
Notice how Adam is not talking anything about what Jaleec said about Munchie B, but just kind of more so getting back on topic.
But like discuss her, even like the Tam thing. I'm gonna be real with you. Like, if Tam was a dude, we wouldn't be talking about it, right? Like, but somehow it's like the fans too. They on board with it too. They gotta talk about the girls on the show. Like, girls are just so interesting to dudes that even when they're like blatantly out of their mind, shout out to Jaliss, but you're a fucking crazy person. It's just like we just can't stay away from it. Like, I don't know. It's like, what is that?
That's kind of like, I think that makes his compelling content to a lot of people. It's like watching a car crash in slow motion. It's literally.
But I get it. It's spring break. Okay, it's spring break. You got your kids for spring break because you know the dad's sister got your kids. You don't have your kids like that, but maybe you need to let them stay in Sacramento for spring break, bro. Because if you gonna take crystal flights, come to no jumper, crash out, cry, or snatch mics and shit like that, maybe you should leave your kids at home.
You think she'd be flying with the Bristol?
She shouldn't be off the Bristol at all.
Yeah,
but
okay.
if
Especially
you
with the kids, that shit pisses me off.
don't do the Bristol when the kids
I'm
around.
trying to tell you the last time.
Nah, you're right.
I'm trying to tell you the last time.
Wait, so are we all? Are they all saying that Jaleec does Bristol? Sound like they're saying Jaleec does Bristol. Sparkles.
Asked me, did she? Because I thought when I saw her, I said, "Oh, she high, like she loaded." She high. I'm like, man, she high. I mean, but you was there in person. I said that from watching it on film.
I mean, okay,
In person, did she really look like
bad? Yeah, because I mean, like, listen, if you drunk, you kind of have to keep drinking. You got to have alcohol around, or you're gonna kind of smell it on her, or it's like physical things that like indicate that. But like, she seemed normal, but then her energy is just like so all over the place that it's like, from my perspective, it has to be drugs. I'm sure Lush could have decoded it exactly.
Yeah, I mean, like,
I was
no, I was looking.
Sorry, random. Did you pack my bag for me? You did? Thank you. Love you.
At it.
That Lush
I ain't gonna lie.
So what do you call that? Was that the Nas?
No.
Was that the Crystal?
Nas is
Okay,
more
so
chill.
The Budweiser? Was it the Yavy?
Budweiser.
Was it the Yavy?
Was it the
PC?
Jaleec being off of Budweiser is sick, bro. Jaleec, I know you're not off the I know you're not trailer park drunk, Jaleec. I know you're not outside getting trailer park drunk.
It might could have been the water. No, that water.
Was it the agent death? Yo, she off the tune sheet would be fine.
Yeah, butt naked.
No, that was Bristol.
No. I genuinely think it was Zans and drank. I think she was Zans and
Drank
alcohol.
like alcohol?
Yeah, like alcohol and Zans.
Zans turn you
Zans make you.
No, but they also
She
make
wasn't
you
like
hot.
that. She just moved.
That ain't no Zans, bro. Hell no.
No, for real though. It's like an Addy mixed with the Zan, I know what it looked like. It's like an Addy possibly mixed with the Zan and the alcohol, especially like the early part of the Zan high, before you get all tired, when you're just like stealing things from 7-Eleven when you have pockets full of money, but you don't feel like paying.
I think Les being my
Why is Lush stealing from 7-Eleven?
place right now.
That was a random admission to guilt.
Bro, I seen a sticker, like a graffiti sticker that said Zans ain't dead. And I'm just like, damn, that's so true, bro. Like, I know there's so many, like, Zans aren't cool anymore, but there's so many people still living that lifestyle.
Adam was happy about it, like, nah, man, I remember the good old days, man. Zannied out.
And I posted a picture of that sticker, and I had a girl that I know hit me up and said, yeah, I got him in a prescription, my name on the bottle. I'm like, oh, I kind of want to hang out with you right now.
My bottle says Farmer Pram on it.
It says germ on it.
Just straight from Tijuana, baby.
Man, hey, I ain't gonna lie though. Not to harp on it too much, but in that same
Shout out to Lush for admitting to have drugs from Tijuana in America. Good federal crime. That's right.
interview when she got to talking about Tam, I'm like, man, is this a play? But
she didn't bring Tam up.
But did you see the way Wack tricked her?
Yeah,
Wack's like,
all
oh,
the
Tam was
time.
saying this and that about you.
Right.
And it's like, Tam didn't say nothing about her. She's just lying.
That's crazy.
And that completely sends Jaliss off the deep end. And Jaliss is like, Tam, a do-nothing ass bitch. Tam ain't on shit. Rah. She just started violating Tam. And it was all from a fake fucking
Guess what?
statement.
Tam's on vacation.
Yeah,
Tam's in
yeah.
Jamaica.
That's
bro,
what she is.
Bro, you're on Crystal. She's on vacation. She's somewhere with a bikini on, laying down on her stomach like Wack was, but it's cool for her.
Eat
That's
that
the whole
Rasta
thing.
pasta.
No, for real, bro. She, bro, like, it ain't even a comparison, bro. That shit right here is a horrible experiment.
So you mean to tell me that Tam is out here on the beach, Wack 100 style, right now? Got it.
Like who could she blend with? And I'm gonna tell you something. Unc, Adam, and Crib Mac, what I just looked over last night, that's, bro, the most channeled I ever witnessed Crib Mac.
It's pretty good, right?
Well, he was quiet. He was more so listening to you and Unc, and then he was like, I'm just listening to what Cuz said. He's right. You trying to trigger me.
You like that?
Right? No, he was making a lot of sense. Like, I'm like, okay.
How do you feel like Jaliss would have affected
That's
the dynamic with that pod?
matured Crip Mac. Huh?
What if Jaliss was in the mix with that pod? What would that have been?
Tragic. Crash.
See,
Chaos.
Jaliss, she know when to shut the fuck up because when Schoolboy Blue was right there, she was spooked.
I would have kicked her out if she was on that because she would have been talking at times where Crip Mac and Unc were talking, and what they're saying is so much funnier and more interesting that if she was just blabbering all over it, I would have been like, all right, you gotta go. Because she would have ruined the moments of how funny they are together by insert. She would have been like, well, what about EBK J-Bo? She would have been like, what about Tam?
Yeah.
Crip Mac would have been like,
Yeah.
J-Bo don't play ball, Cuz on 55th. He ain't better snaps alley. He would have shut it down. I believe so. He would have got on her bumper.
Tam, I want to know what's her real problem with Tam because people say she look better or she got more class. Because I have yet to see anything that Tam said.
Nobody's ever said that Tam looks better than Jaleec.
About her.
I might say that Jaleec is more annoying and all that kind of stuff, but nobody ever looked at Tam or looked at Jaleec and was like, yeah, Tam.
Tam has
She haven't.
She just that was just Wack tricking Jaliss.
Yeah, but I'm like,
Sometimes
Tam, no jumper for sure, just wants content of Tam crashing out.
you ain't even gotta have a reason, but I ain't gonna even lie. It's kind of just probably you know what I'm saying, being caught up in the chats, the chats, you know what I'm saying, basically saying Tam more classy. And I could see that day we was in here podding, it kind of bothered her that TF Third was queening. You know what I'm saying, Tam, you know, Tammy more of a queen, you more of a like a sitch.
Well, she's a crash out, and then Tam is we have yet to see Tam really do anything that you could really falter for besides maybe some of her takes might be you don't love it or whatever, but it's not like Jaliss where you're just bro, whether Jaliss should even be allowed to be on the podcast at all is a constant conversation. Whereas I think all of us could we can all hang out with Tam for a week. It would probably be fine, right? She's chill.
I think they're both really cool, to be honest with you. I fuck with Jaliss, to be honest, but despite
why you don't invite her to MacArthur Park and hang with you then?
I feel like she would fit in pretty good, to be honest.
Right.
But no, to be
Yeah, I don't think that Tam should be hanging out in MacArthur Park with Lush for any way, shape, form, or fashion.
the thing is,
We finna get up out of here to the next one, man. I'm up out of here. I'm about to go handle my little scandal for the rest of the night, man. Hit the like, hit the comment, hit the subscribe button for everything we got going on. Red dots to the left. You know the rest.
Protest the air, Smith. We on the air, protest the air at our best. You know that, man. Off the air. You know what I'm saying? We out here, ground zero for the neighborhood hero. We got all four corners. TMC, the marathon definitely continues. Mr. Burger right here, live in the flesh. We out here, man. Trap knows. You know that, nigga.
Dangerous. Can't come outside when it's dangerous. Work all in the floorboard. Tell the ops check the scoreboard. You can't come outside when it's dangerous. And if you shoot, you ain't miss. A nigga ball like game 6. A nigga ball like game 6.
You can't come outside when it's dangerous. Gotta get the blicky when it's dangerous. Young niggas, we didn't get from Nathan. Thought we would stop, we just can't quit. Thought we would stop, we just can't quit. Ballin' like us niggas up in game 6. Missy with the bullshit, you can save it. Ballin' like us niggas up in game 6.
Game 60 bands on my neck when I got it on me. And I remember I was broke, I never let them hold me. Final seconds with my back against the wall. 81 point strong with this K, I call it Kobe. Running through this lettuce, nothing you can tell it. Gotta watch my back, I know that they get jealous. Real shit, I got rich, ain't gotta embellish. Real life made men, they call us good fellas. And I ain't got anxiety, I know it's intuition. May never love a bitch, but I for sure play my position. I know the streets talking, I'm cracking, so I ain't tripping. I said I play for keeps, but I guess them niggas ain't listening. Sick like Jordan, call it game 6. Shoot like Curry, and I can't miss. Nah, you can't come outside when it's dangerous. You niggas never outside when it's never outside, nigga.
You can't come outside when it's dangerous. Gotta get the blicky when it's dangerous. Young niggas, we didn't get from Nathan. Thought we would stop, we just can't quit. Thought we would stop, we just can't
Then went and told my ops check the scoreboard. Money in the attic, work all in the floorboards. Late night, that's the life that we pray for. Overtime with the pack is what we in the game for. Put myself in the game and everything is just a memory. Made a couple plays for the pain, not an enemy. Gotta watch my friends more, I gotta watch the enemies. Frank is hella fake, I know what enemies intentions. I let it go until it click if I'm Miami. Started staying safe and ended up staying dangerous. Game on the line, see the pressure I can take. Hall of Fame shit, so if it's mine, I'ma take. Niggas sick like Jordan, call it game 6. Niggas shoot like Curry and I can't miss. Niggas never outside when it's dangerous. You niggas never outside when it's dangerous.
You can't come outside when it's dangerous. Gotta get the blicky when it's dangerous. Young niggas, we done came from Nathan. Thought we would stop, we just can't quit. Thought we would stop, we just can't quit. Ballin' like us niggas up in game 6. Missy with the bullshit, you can save it. Ballin' like us niggas up in game 6. You can't come outside when it's dangerous. Gotta get the blicky when it's dangerous. Young niggas, we done came from Nathan. Thought we would stop, we just can't quit. Thought we would stop, we just can't quit. Ballin' like us niggas up in game 6. Missy with the bullshit, you can save it. Ballin' like us niggas up in game 6.
Safe like Jordan, call it game 6. Shoot like Curry and I can't miss. You niggas never outside when it's dangerous. You niggas always inside when it's dangerous. Shoot like Curry and I can't miss. Niggas sick like Jordan, call it game 6. Niggas never outside when it's dangerous.